Now our next exercise is exercise 4.4, when three sides and two included angles are given. So our first construction is construct a quadrilateral deer. So we'll draw a rough figure. D, E, A and R. DE 4 centimeter, EA 5 centimeter, AR 4.5 centimeter, angle E 60 degree, angle A 90 degree. Now we can rotate our figure. So we can draw this way. Means we can take EA as a base. So I'll draw a rough figure again. D, E, A and R. DE 4, EA 5, AR 4.5 centimeter, angle E 60 degree and angle A 90 degree. So first of all, we have to draw base 5 centimeter. Then at point, this is 5 centimeter, E, A. Now at point E, we have to draw 60 degree angle. So this is 60 degree. At point A, this is 90 degree. Then it's given to you DA, DE 4 centimeter. We'll open our compass till 4 centimeter. This is a point D. This line is of 4 centimeter and AR 4.5. So we'll open our compass till 4.5. This point is 4.5. Now we'll join these two. And this will be a construction DEAR. This angle is of 60 degree and this is of 90 degree. So second part of this exercise, second question of this exercise, you can do it yourself. Now our next exercise is exercise 4.5. Some special cases. Draw the following. The first is draw a square READ where RE 5.1 centimeter. Now we'll draw rough figure. These questions you have to do yourself. I'll explain only rough figures how to construct it. READ. RE 5.1 centimeter given. We know that all sides of a square are equal. It means each side will be of 5.1 centimeter. And each angle 90 degree. So you can construct it yourself. Draw one line of 5.1, both side 90 degree angle, then 5.1 from both the side you will mark and join D and A. Now second is a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Same question you have done in exercise 4.2. It's third question. You will draw one rough figure first. Rhombus is given. Name is not given. You can use any name. Suppose A, B, C, D. Now its diagonals are given. First diagonal 5.2 and second diagonal 6.4. So first of all, you will draw 5.2 centimeter, bisect it. You know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Then half of 6.4 you will be taking upward and downward, means 3.2 upward and 3.2 downward, and you will construct it. Now, third part of this question is a rectangle whose adjacent sides are of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So, for this, you will draw one rough figure. Name is not given. You can write it yourself. ABCD is a rectangle whose adjacent sides are of 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. We know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It means this side will be 4 centimeter and this will be 5 centimeter. And each angle is of 90 degree. So you can construct this also. Next question is a parallelogram OKAY, where OK 5.5 centimeter and KA 4.2 centimeter. Now we'll draw a rough figure. OKAY. OK 5.5 and this is 4.2. So we know that opposite sides are equal. But to construct a quadrilateral, 5 measurements are required. There are only 4. So we cannot construct this quadrilateral. So complete this chapter and revise thoroughly this chapter once again. Thank you and have a nice day.